Greetings, my name is Harieta Kafoa, and I make pumpkin pies. It's the best in Fiji. That's what I tell the women, and I put it on the website site also to say that by far it's the best. It's the best product, and the name of my company it's called Harieta Investments. After I lost my job as a result of COVID-19, um, I was at home, and then I love to bake, and I thought of helping my family financially. And as a result, it was an old family recipe that came about. So, with the permission of my aunt, I was able to do this, and I've been doing it ever since I think May. And also together we started attending the AWE course, and that has really encouraged me to go into business with just focusing on my pies. I worked for the airline for 25 years, and like I mentioned before, after I lost my job, I didn't think I could, I could go into and make money, and then be my own boss. And just going into the course has allowed me to to venture to the unknown, and I think that is something. I thank the U.S. Embassy for allowing us to partake in the AWE course because it's really an eye opener.